In today's class, we will learn how to find the quadratic inequalities. So let's get started and try to understand by solving few examples. X squared plus 3x minus 28 less than equals to 0. So let's simplify this equation by finding the factors. So the factors of minus 28 is minus 4, 7, correct? So we get two factors from here. It will be 4x plus 7x minus 28 less than equals to 0. Now see, instead of this inequality sign less than equals to 0, we can also use equal to sign here. And from here, we get the factors x minus 4 and here x minus 4 and x plus 7. So we get two values of x from here, and that is minus plus 4 and minus 7. Now let's plot this on a number line. Here it's minus 7 and 4. Left hand side we have minus infinity, right hand side plus infinity. Now over minus 7 and over 4 will have closed circle. Why? Because we have equal to sign here. And that means minus 7 and 4 are included in the solution. Now if you see here, our number line is divided into three sections. Clear? So the interval between minus infinity minus 7, minus 7 and 4, from 4 to infinity. Now we will take any test point from each section. So let's take here minus 8. Here let's take it as 0 and here let's take it as 5. Now plugging these values in your given expression. So we will use the factored form here to make the calculations easy. So it will be x minus 4, x plus 7. Now plug in these values. Let's first plug in minus 8, minus 4 and minus 8 plus 7. Now here we just want to know whether the result is positive or negative. That's it. So from here you will get a negative answer. Here also negative. So negative, negative, you will get a positive answer. So we'll mark it here as positive. Now plug in 0 here. So 0 minus 4, 0 plus 7. So here it will be negative answer plus, so negative into positive is negative. Here plug in 5 minus 4, 5 plus 7. So here you will get a positive answer. Here you will get a positive answer. So positive into positive, positive. Okay. Now this will help you to decide which section you have to take into solution. Clear? So how? So see, remember here, if your expression is greater than 0, that means the expression is, it is positive. If it is less than 0, that means it is negative. If your expression is greater than or equals to 0, that means it is positive or 0. And if it is less than or equals to 0, that means it is negative or 0. So remember these things. Clear? So in our case, in our first example, we have what? We have less than or equals to 0. Correct? So less than 0 means negative values. Clear? So where are the negative values? In this section. So it is from here to here, from minus 7 to 4. This section is included in the solution. And here we have equal to sign. So it is 0 at minus 7 and 0 at 4. Clear? Okay. Now let's write this in inequality notation. So see here, x is greater than minus 7. So, x is greater than or equals to minus 7 and x is less than or equals to 4. So, it is less than or equals to 4. So, this is our solution in inequality notation. Now, let's write this in interval notation. So, in interval notation, it will be from minus 7 to 4 and we will use these brackets. And these brackets are used for closed circle. And these brackets are used for open circle. And in closed circle, it means the numbers are, these numbers are included in the solution. And when you're using open brackets, that means for open circle, that means it is not included in the solution. Clear? So here we have, this is our answer in number line notation. Number line notation. And this answer is our in inequality notation. And this is in interval notation. Clear? Let's go to the next example. X square minus x greater than equals to 12. Okay, so let's solve here. So what you have to do here is first bring all the terms to one side. So it will be x square minus x minus 12 greater than equals to 0. Now factorize this. The factors of minus 12 will be minus 4 and 3. So it will be x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12. So here it will be x minus 4 plus 3x minus 4. So the two factors we have x minus 4 and x plus 3. So we get two values for x, that is 4 and minus 3. Clear? Okay, now let's plot it on number line. So here it will be minus 3, 4, left hand side minus infinity, right hand side plus infinity. Now again here over 3 will have a closed circle and over 4 also we will have a closed circle. Why? Because we had equal to sign also. Now again we have 3 sections on the number line. Let's plug in the values. So here we will take minus 4. Let's take it here as 0 and 5. Now substitute these values in factored form equation. It is x minus 4 and x plus 3. So here it will be minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 plus 3. So here it will be minus. Here it's also minus. So minus and minus, minus into minus, you will get a positive answer. And plug in 0 here. 0 minus 4, 0 plus 3. So here you will get a negative answer and here it will be a positive answer. Negative into positive, negative. So here it will be a negative 1. And let's plug in 5. 5 minus 4, 5 plus 3. So here it will be plus, plus. So the result will be positive. Now, which section will be included in the solution? Which section we should select here from the number line? So now check what is given in your expression. It is greater than equals to 0. So whenever there is greater than equals to 0, that means it is positive or equals to 0. So positive means we have this part of the number line and positive we have this side of the number line. and it is 0 at -3 and 4. Clear? So let's write in inequality notation. See, your x is, now check here, your x is less than or equals to -3. Correct? Or our x is greater than or equals to 4. Greater than or equals to 4. So this is our answer in inequality notation, and here is your solution in number line notation. Now let's write the answer in interval notation. So how you will write the interval notation? It is -infinity to -3, and see, -3 is included. There is a closed circle, so this bracket. Union 4 is also included. There is a close bracket. So 4 and to infinity. So this is your answer in interval notation. I hope everything is getting clear. Let's move to next example. Okay, now here bring all the terms to one side. We'll get x square minus 6x plus 9 greater than 0. Now the factors of 9 here is -3, -3. So we'll get x minus 3 greater than 0. So x minus 3 the whole square greater than 0. Now you see here, whatever value we plug in here will always get a positive number. And according to our expression, here it is greater than 0. The expression is greater than 0. That means we need the result to be positive. Correct? So that means whatever values, all numbers are result for this expression. So let's verify from the number line. All numbers here except 3. How? Let's see here. It's 3 minus infinity plus infinity. Over here will be open circle now because there is no equal to sign. It is greater than. So it is an open circle. That means 3 is not included in the solution. Now we have two parts, sections on the number line. Let's take here x is equals to 0 and here x is equals to 4. Now substitute here x minus 3 the whole square. So 0 minus 3 the whole square, you will get a positive answer here. And 4 minus 3 the whole square, again you will get a positive answer here. So positive and positive, and our expression is also greater. That means we need positive values. So that means from 3 towards the positive infinity and from 3 towards the negative infinity except 3. Clear? So in interval notation, you can write from -infinity to 3. Check the brackets. Union 3 to infinity. Because 3 is not included. And in inequality notation, it will be x greater than less than 3 or x greater than 3. So this is the solution for this expression. Let's move to next example. X square minus 4x minus 12 less than 0. Now here let's factorize the expression. It will be x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 12 less than 0. So it will be x minus 6 plus 2 x minus 6. So we have two factors, x minus 6 and x plus 2. So here you see you will get two values for 6, minus 6 and plus 6 and minus 2. Here let's plug in these values, plot these numbers on number line. So minus 2 and 6, minus infinity plus infinity. Now you see here we will have open circle at minus 2 and 6. Why? Because there is no equal to sign in our expression. Clear? Okay. Now let's again plug in the values. Here we will take -3. In this interval, let's take 0. And here let's take 7. And let's substitute these values in factored equation. So x minus 6, x plus 2. So it will be -3 minus 6 minus 3 plus 2. So what we will get here? A negative answer. Here also negative answer. Negative into negative, positive. Now here 0 minus 6, 0 plus 2. Here you will get a negative answer. Here you will get a positive answer. Negative into positive, negative. And here 7 minus 6, 7 plus 2. So here also positive, positive, positive. So here it is positive. Now which section of the number line you will take for your solution? See, it is greater here. Greater means, it is less than 0 here. Less than 0 means negative. So this section, this interval between -2 and 6 is the solution. Clear? Let's write in interval notation. It will be from -2 to 6 and open brackets. And in equality notation, it will be your x is greater than -2. So it will be greater than -2 and it should be less than 6. So it is less than 6. And this is the solution for this expression. Clear? Okay. Now try it yourself. This one, x square plus 2x minus 35 greater than 0. And write the answers in the comment box. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you want me to cover anything else. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.